Hello, it's John, your pronunciation and accents coach, and remember, right here you can get a better British accent, and today we're looking at months of the year. Now, of course, there are 12 months in the year, right? And I'll show you how to pronounce every month of the year and the sounds that are in that feature in that month. Okay? There's really two things with pronunciation of words like this. One is the pronunciation of consonant sounds, and one is the pronunciation of vowel sounds. Are you ready? Here we go. We start with January. January. So it's Jan. January. February. Not February. February. Funny one, that one. Next one is March. March. April is the next one, and that's when my birthday is. So April. April. May. June. July. Not Julie. July. August. So it's an or sound. August. September. October. So it's October. November. So it starts with no, and it's a V sound. November. And December. Let's go through them all again, straight through. Here we go. January. February. March. April. May. June. July. August. September. October. November. And December. So why not write in the comments below maybe which one is most difficult to pronounce, and maybe you have a birthday in a month, you want to tell me when your birthday is. That would be fantastic. I'd love to find out when your birthdays are, in which month your birthday is in. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click subscribe to the channel for more videos on pronunciation and accents. And all I have to do now is to say, see you later, stay connected, and over and out. Bye. Bye.